Have you ever wondered how AI and cryptocurrency can work together to revolutionize the financial world? Well, the reality is they're already starting to. The integration of artificial intelligence, or AI, and cryptocurrency is expected to continue evolving, opening up a whole new world of possibilities. AI crypto coins, for instance, are leveraging AI technologies for operations like risk management and trading. Think about it, the potential benefits are clear: automation and efficiency. With AI's analytical prowess, it can help identify trends, predict market movements, and execute trades at lightning speed. But like all good things, there are also risks involved. Security vulnerabilities and price fluctuations are just some of the challenges that AI crypto coins face. Therefore, it's crucial to understand this intersection of AI and cryptocurrency isn't just about the opportunities it presents, but also the potential pitfalls. It's an exciting frontier, but one that requires careful navigation. With that in mind, let's delve deeper into what AI crypto coins really are. So what exactly are AI crypto coins, you might ask? Well, let's take a moment to unpack this fascinating blend of technology and finance. AI crypto coins are a novel class of cryptocurrencies that leverage the power of artificial intelligence to enhance their operations. They are essentially digital assets that use AI technologies for tasks such as risk management and trading. This fusion of AI and blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize the crypto world by bringing automation and efficiency to the table. Now, let's delve into a few notable AI crypto projects that are making waves in the space. First off, we have Fetch.ai, an ambitious project that uses machine learning and AI to perform tasks automatically. Then there's SingularityNet, a decentralized platform where anyone can create, share, and monetize AI services. We also have Numeraire, a unique project that crowdsources predictive models to improve investment decisions. Matrix AI Network, on the other hand, aims to make blockchain technology more accessible by using AI to automate complex processes. Lastly, there's Deep Brain Chain, which seeks to provide a low-cost, private, flexible, and safe AI computing platform. While these projects sound promising, it's crucial to remember that AI crypto coins are speculative assets. They come with their own set of rewards and risks, much like any investment. The potential benefits of automation and efficiency are indeed enticing. However, they also pose risks such as security vulnerabilities and price fluctuations. So, if you're considering investing in AI crypto coins, thorough due diligence is a must. Understand the project's vision, assess the team's capabilities, and evaluate the technology's potential impact. Don't just jump on the bandwagon because of the hype. Instead, make informed decisions based on thorough research and analysis. Now that we know what AI crypto coins are, how exactly do they work? Stay tuned to find out. AI and crypto might seem like two completely different worlds, but when they come together, they create a unique system. Now let's delve into how AI crypto coins work. At the heart of it, these coins leverage artificial intelligence to streamline operations like risk management and trading. Think of AI as the brains behind the operation, constantly learning, absorbing data, and making calculated decisions. It's this intelligence that allows these coins to adapt and react to the ever-changing crypto market. AI's role in risk management is particularly noteworthy. It's like having a super smart financial advisor on your side, analyzing market trends and predicting potential risks before they happen. This proactive approach can help mitigate losses and even identify profitable opportunities that might otherwise go unnoticed. Now, on to trading. AI crypto coins can make thousands of trades in the blink of an eye, far outpacing any human trader. With their ability to crunch massive amounts of data, they can spot trends and execute trades with incredible speed and accuracy. But it's not all smooth sailing. While AI offers efficiency and automation, it also carries risks. For instance, there's always the possibility of security vulnerabilities. Plus, the rapid pace of AI trading can lead to sudden price fluctuations. There are several leading AI crypto trading bots out there like 3 Commas, Pionex, and Arbitrage Scanner. These bots use AI to automate trading, but it's crucial to exercise caution. They're tools, not magic wands. They can't guarantee profits, and they come with their own set of risks. So we've seen what AI crypto coins are and how they work. But what does this mean for the future? The potential impact of AI crypto coins is immense. Imagine a financial world where risk management and trading are largely automated, where efficiency is the norm, not the exception. AI crypto coins are poised to revolutionize the financial landscape, leveraging artificial intelligence to streamline operations and optimize performance. This evolving field promises to deliver unprecedented advancements in how we manage and trade cryptocurrencies. But remember, as with any speculative asset, they come with their own set of risks and rewards. While the journey of AI crypto coins is just beginning, their impact could be colossal. Stay tuned, stay informed, and remember, the future is now.